In this video, we will learn how to use borrowed expertise to make $1,000 per day from Amazon and ClickBank affiliate marketing. And it's absolutely made for beginners. And it can be done from anywhere on the planet without a website, technical knowledge, or any previous experience. Sounds good? Let's begin. The world is going through a recession. Very bad times. People lose jobs because a lot of companies don't need the expertise they have. So the solution is either get a new job, which is very hard, or learn new skills, which is time consuming. Prices are going high. We need money right now. And the solution is use borrowed expertise. Okay, I'll come back to that in a moment. But before that, let me answer a question I get asked every single day. Mosh, have you made money from your own system? The answer is, well, yeah, a couple of millions from one account, like this account on Warrior Plus. Only as a vendor is $5 million, 140,000 sales, and as an affiliate made around $645,000. Not so bad. From JVZoo, ClickBank, Amazon, we made around $10 million in last 2-3 years. So yeah, we made some money from our own techniques. And one of them is using borrowed expertise. Hit the like button if you like this video. Hit the share button and share with your friends and family, social media contacts if you think they also need this technique. So let me start with an example. This is one of my Warrior Plus accounts and this is the affiliate commission. $129,000. Not so savvy, but it came from only one thing. And that one thing has been done by one of my old Facebook friends, Derek Pierce. He posted on his Facebook that he's gonna show big free framework for building evergreen SEO campaign. And he put the link to a video right here. What I'm about to show you is how we use borrowed expertise to make money like this. So keep watching. If required, take notes. Now, when I started watching this video was awesome. I loved it, but I didn't have this knowledge before. Now, I want to use borrowed expertise by borrowing his expertise and use that to make money like this. So what am I gonna do now is first watch the video, learn it, take notes, and from the video, I'm going to use any screenshot grabbing software and take important screenshots like this. Then as he carries on teaching, I will take more screenshots. I'll take another screenshot, then take another screenshot. And this way I will take screenshot of the full technique, maybe 5, 6, 7 or 10. And then I will go to my own artificial intelligence software that allows me to make videos like this without using cameras and microphones. And let me show you how it works. By the way, I'm coming to how you are going to make money in this system in a moment. But before that, let me show you the technique we use. I'm gonna give the video name to Derek Pierce, who should get the full credit, and click create. By the way, Epic is free to start. Link is in the description. You can grab it and start today. Now in the image section, I'm going to drag this screenshot to here, and in a matter of seconds, the image is uploaded to the library. Click use to bring it on the canvas. Now I can zoom it, I can rotate it, I can add text, I can add more image. Now I'm just showing you what can be done. Now this way I will add new section, more and more section, and the same way drag another screenshot, bring it on the canvas, and it's right here. Now if I want to add audio, then I will go to the audio section, either upload an audio file or voiceover file, or I will simply click this button. Look what happens here. I am recording my voiceover and I'm talking about Derek Pierce's video. This is just one slide where he is showing how to start a YouTube channel 2022 on Google. So I recorded my voiceover, click OK, and this one particular voiceover section is right here in the recorded video. Now as I play the audio, I am recording my voiceover and I'm talking about Derek Pierce's. Awesome. But if I'm not comfortable with recording my voice, or I don't have time for that, I'll go to the audio section, click the text to audio and click add button. Then rename it as to select my favorite voiceover. I will just write that text or copy text from elsewhere. Click submit, then go to the text to audio section, click play.
I'm not talking about Derek Pierce's video. He made an awesome video. And here he's showing his screen.
Awesome, right? Now, once you are done with this video showing what Derek Pierce has done in his video, just click the render button right here and your video is done. You can use image from a library of 2.7 million royalty-free images and videos. You can also make video by uploading the script file. Epic will make bite-sized videos right here just by clicking upload text file, or copy and paste text or script right here and by clicking submit button. The video can be as long as you want, as helpful as you want. But did you notice I am giving full credit to Derek Pierce? I have taken the screenshot of the full window where you can see his name, account, his photo, and I'm basically reviewing his video. It's just like saying Elon Musk says a global recession could last until the spring of 2024, right? This is called borrowed expertise. And this Epic is the software we use to make money from borrowed expertise. Epic is free to start, link is in the description. Go grab it and start. Now you must be asking, Mosh, where is the money? Where is ClickBank and where is Amazon? For ClickBank, I want to show you a brand new, evergreen and super hot niche. Literally nobody has ever told you about. Go to the categories and choose dental health. It's a huge problem, an evergreen problem. You will find so many products with high gravity score, which means a lot of affiliates are making money selling this product. Now here's a trick I'm telling you. On ClickBank, if you click promote and create a hop link and then get your affiliate link and check the affiliate link, you will see a kind of dull sales page that from my experience I can say it will never convert. But it's showing amazing number 523. This is unbelievable number of gravity score. So what is the secret? The secret is in the affiliate page. Go click here and you will be taken to this affiliate page. Put your affiliate ID and then link to use. There are two options. Select default video and then click request approval. Then your affiliate link will be created here. Now if you go and try the sales page, you will see a different sales page with a high converting VSL. This is the secret. Use this link to promote. Now where will you put this link? I'll come back to that in a moment. But before that, let me show you where the money is in Amazon. Go to Amazon and search with teeth. And you'll find so many products, especially high price products. For example, this one with high price, high rating, and high number of reviewers, which means a lot of people are buying and a lot of people are loving it. This is the product you can promote as an affiliate and make money easily. So your content means your videos. I meant to say videos that you made using borrowed expertise without your own expertise. You promote products like this and products like this. Then you publish those helpful videos on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook Reel and get views. These are the views from our channels that made us and still make us all the money as affiliate. Now here is an example. People have been promoting this product as an affiliate on YouTube. Look at this. If you see 89,000 views on this video, but on the second video 47,000 views, third video 1.9 thousand views, chances are these are fake views. So don't get fascinated. They purchased fake views to push their videos on top of this search. And they put their affiliate link right here in the description of their video. People watch their videos, like the content, trust them, click their links, buy from them, and they make money. So the summary is use borrowed expertise to make simple content using 2 to 3 minutes of your times using softwares like Epic. We use Epic. Epic is free to start, link is in the description. Go grab it and start. And then choose a topic that there are high gravity products on ClickBank and high rating, high selling products on Amazon. Then talk about the problems and their solutions using borrowed expertise in your videos and publish your videos on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Get views, clicks, and make money. Super simple. Did you like your video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. Hit the like button if you like this video. Hit the share button and share with your friends and family, social media contacts if you think they also need this technique. Subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video, and we will see you in the next one. And if you want to learn how this lady earns $2 million per month for her company using an underrated platform then watch this video. If you want to learn about 800,000 customers waiting to buy from your link, then watch this video here. And if you want to learn about 3 AI softwares that can help you earn $70,000, then watch this video here. And if you want to learn how this website earns $53,000 from a $100 million company, then watch this video here. And we'll see you in the next video.